Hello, I'm going to show you how to make these cute little worry worms. These have got safety eyes, so you don't have to worry about the eyes falling out. So you will need 4mm crochet hook, some size 4 yarn and 2 safety eyes. Let's get started. You create a magic circle and you make 6 single crochet stitches into the circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the circle close. Second round, you will be making 6 increase stitches, which means for every single crochet stitch, you will be making 2 single crochets. So 1, 2 for the first one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You will have 12 stitches after this round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For the next 3 rounds, you will be making 1 single crochet per stitch. So if you can either count 12 3 times or just do 36 single crochet stitches around. Once you've done your 36 single crochets, you will add the safety eyes. You will add the eyes between rounds 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, just about here. Leave about 3 stitches between the eyes. Put the backs on. And then you go back to where you left your work. We will now start to decrease the head, making 6 decreases into the next round. So that means making a 1 single crochet stitch over the 2 stitches, so making 2 stitches go into 1. So you pick up the 2 next stitches and pull it close. So that was first one, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next round be another decrease round. You'll have 6 stitches at the moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you will try to decrease 3 times. It can get a little bit tricky, so just do your best. So 1, 2, and 3, if you can. Doesn't matter if you can't, as long as the head is closed roughly. You can always stitch it up a little bit later. Now, to make it the body for your worm, you will chain 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. And you will be working back into the second chain from your hook. So not the first one, the second one, making 4 single crochet stitches into the same chain. 2, 3, 4. Same again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of the chains will have 4 single crochet stitches in them. So next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see how the tails just starts curling as you work. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you've done your last 4 single crochets and you go back to the head, just slip stitch into the bottom part of the head to finish off, fasten off and cut the yarn. Get your needle. And if you had a little hole here, you need to close it. Now you can just sew over it. And at the same time, hide the yarn tail into the head.